it going, my little Stewies? It is your friend, Stewie Friend here, to bring you another video. Guys, this is the Maximum Beacon Challenge. And guys, I've been busy. Busy. Wait, where's my chest? Did Ninja troll me again? No. Not this time. Actually, I have these chests on me. I, actually did not... I did not record for a long time, mostly because it was late and I didn't want to wake anybody up or anything, but I've gotten a staircase done. I've made this all glass. I made this room, which is my storage room. Not all the chests are filled, of course, but we have a bit of food. We have my riches chest. We have some dungeon loot. I found this enchantment book. Protection 4, Unbreaking 3, and Luck of the Sea. I want that on a diamond chest plate. Just because. But also, I made this room. Now it's nothing special right now, but this is going to be my enchantment room. I'm going to need to make an enchantment table, and I'm going to need to make a lot of bookshelves. I have a few bookshelves here, so let me go into my building blocks. I have 5. So let's grab these 5 bookshelves, and let's just place them. 2, 3, 4, 5. There we go. What the hell? Wow. I just lost a freaking... Wow. The freaking thing glitched, and it made... Oh, there it is. Okay, thank you. Thank you. There we go. So now, I have a few bookshelves. And I can now make the enchantment table. So let's grab 2 diamonds. It's only 3 left. Not mob drops. Special stuff. Oh yeah, guys, I forgot to mention the command blocks. First, let me grab that, and then I'm going to need... Or no, wait. It's like that. That. And then I'm going to need the book. Do I have any more books? I don't have any more books. I'll make more. But, if you guys don't know what's going on, Ninja and I made an idea to put command blocks into this game for us to troll each other with. Now, we do have a few rules, and I'm going to show you the rules right now. So, it's right over here. Ah, man, something killed the villager. Looks like I'm going to have to put, like, a thing down, but here's the rules. Oh, wait, I have a book right there. So, now I can make an enchantment table. Hooray. Let's go inside where it's safe so I can read the rules. And don't you guys worry, this isn't dark oak. This is nether brick. Whenever I first walked in, I was like, wait, what the heck? But then I was like, that's nether brick. I forgot that I placed that there. So let's go into my room, and then let's sleep, and then I'll read you guys the rules for the command blocks and bedrock. So, rules for command blocks. 1. No /kill. 2. No TPing to the other person's death. So that means you can't TP somebody to fall into a pit of lava. Or anything, like make them suffocate or anything. They cannot die while TPing. 3. No TPing to the other person's base. It's pretty self-explanatory. 4. No giving yourself items to progress in the challenge. So no giving yourself freaking stacks and stacks and stacks of diamonds. No slash clear without warning before the troll starts. And now these are the rules for the bedrock. No spawn trapping the other people in bedrock without a way in or out. That means the only way, you know, for you to actually trap them in obsidian, or bedrock, I mean, is if you have a way for them to get out. They may not want to take that, but whatever. They may not want to take that route, but they'll have to if they want to progress and not be stuck. Gives me an idea for a troll. I don't know. No filling the other player's base with bedrock. So like what I did with Ninja's base with the birch, I can't do that with the bedrock. Because that's just unfair. No changing the other player's base into bedrock. So with what Ninja did to my house, he can't do that with bedrock. Caps only, right here. Only use bedrock for trolls. Next page, there's more rules. No creative breaking after the troll, so no bedrock in base area. Put bedrock in another part of the map. So no placing bedrock like right there and then like, oh, I'm gonna just, go into creative and break it. You can't do that. It has to stay there for the whole rest of the challenge. Let's continue. 6. No going overboard in one area. You know what I mean. As in, no, like, freaking layers and layers and layers of bedrock. That just makes no sense. One layer's fine. There's no way to break bedrock. If you have any problems with these rules, we can negotiate terms for any changes. So that's fair, I think. And now, failure to follow these rules will cause you to lose your command blocks and bedrock privileges. Thank you, have fun trolling. That is, I think, pretty fair. For the rules, I think it's fair. So, anyway, let's continue with this. And let's make our enchantment table. Heck yes! So, now we have an enchantment table, so now I can enchant stuff if I ever want to. Just in case. Okay, so, let's go into my enchantment room. And let's place this enchantment table down. There we go. And it looks like we do need lapis. That's good. That's good to know. Ooh, actually, I have 50 levels. Might as well, let's actually fix this bow up real quick. There we go. Oh yeah, I forgot I need lapis. I just said that, too. Long day. Riches, let's grab that, and let's see if we can get infinity on this, because that would be even better. So, bam. Power 1. Power 1. Power 1. Looks like we are going to need to make it better. Make the enchantment thing better. So let's put that in there. I have so much stuff. Now, also, the reason why I have 8 is because Ninja said that I could have 8, and that's because he wanted to change the trading system, and I wasted so much gold, because the original plan was to have one enchanted golden apple and a regeneration potion for one command block. Because, you know, it's freaking powerful AF. So, we wanted something to prevent people from having so many command blocks. Well, Ninja was like, well, it's only fair since you wasted 8 blocks of gold. Might as well at least have 8 command blocks. So, thank you, Ninja, for letting me do that. The Birch thanks you very much. Now, let's see. This is the special stuff, so let's just put that there. Let's grab some food. Cake. Nom 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 nom. Delicious. Now, if you guys see here, I have 4 brewing stands. I kind of want to go through here, and I want to make this right there a brewing center. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. So, do I have wood? Oh yeah, you better believe I have wood. So, okay, I grabbed a little bit more than I needed. Okay, so there we go. I have a birch door. There we go. So now all I need to do is, you know, mine as much as I want and make myself a room for brewing. This is perfect. So, that's my plan for today. I want to at least get my brewing center up and running. Just because, and let's put that in there, and that in there. There we go. And also, I want to get a dog. I want to get a dog today. So, I'm gonna go on a little hunt for a dog. Well, I also have a few levels. Let me see if I can enchant this book, since I don't really need it that much. Oh yeah, I keep forgetting. I need lapis. I need to put a chest down and just put some lapis in there. There we go. That can be my lapis chest. And let's just grab that. And let's try and enchant this book. Blast protection. Ooh, efficiency 1. Sharpness 1. Let me think this real quick. So blast protection can help me fight ghasts, which can give me ghast tears, which will give me potions of regen. For either me or for me to troll Ninja. Shout out to whoever's drinking soda right now. Efficiency 1 can help me get obsidian for the bedrock. And sharpness 1 can help me kill the wither. Ah, these are all good enchantments. I'm gonna have to go for the one that costs the most, Blast Protection 1. Let me know what you guys think. Do you guys think that I'm doing the right call, or do you guys think I'm making a dumb call? I think I'm making kind of a smart idea, so let's put that in here. The special stuff, and let's put this in here. The protection thing. In there. Because that's all going on a Well, wait. Protection 4. Is blast protection gonna go with that? I may have made a dumb idea. I think I made a dumb call. Just put that in there, and I'll do more enchanting later. If anything, I can try and make another book right now. Mob drops. Here's more leather. Let's make another book. And let's see what else I can get. Is there any more? No. I'm gonna have to go out, and I'm gonna have to grab some stuff for me to make another book. Give me 1 second, guys. And there we go. I've got another book. Let's go back to the enchantment room and get this. Now, I know what you guys are thinking. How did I get all those riches also? I may have done a little bit of off-camera mining. Don't hate me too much. I'm sorry. I didn't want to do so much off-camera work. I'm so sorry, guys. Don't hate me. But the reason why I did that was because I figured it would be a little boring, having me just go mining all the time. So, I kind of put that in my thoughts too. So, let's grab 3 again, and let's see what else I can make. Smite 1, Feather Falling, Efficiency 1. Smite 1 lets me kill skeletons faster. Feather Falling will help me if I get blasted off of a high part of the map and help me survive a little bit. Efficiency 1 can go on my pickaxe as soon as I fix it. I'm gonna go with the efficiency. So, I'm gonna fix this. It's gonna probably get... Yeah, that's gonna take all my diamonds. Yeah, let's do it. Some reason I feel like that's a bad call. But I need the diamond pick. I need the diamond pick. So let's make that. Boom. Can I actually fix it without an anvil? Yes, I can. Heh. So now let's go into the anvil. And let's put this efficiency 1. Oh, wait. I can always put the book on there. But what if I get something better? What if I get something better on the pickaxe itself? Lots of enchanting today, guys. Lots of enchanting. Probably because I know that I have so many levels. Efficiency 1, efficiency 1, efficiency 1. I'm not gonna waste levels just to put efficiency 1 in another... Wait. If there's efficiency 1 on there already, and then I put another efficiency 1 on there, it will make efficiency 2. Okay. So I will put that and that. Put efficiency 1. There we go. Yeah, I know. Can you turn on the fan? Alright, guys. There we go. I have a diamond pickaxe with efficiency 2. This is good. This is really, really good. I'm glad that I doubled my thinking there. Because if if I wanted efficiency 2, I'd have to re-enchant another book. Hope that I get efficiency 1. And that's just if I were to get it. So I'm glad that I thought of it again. So let's make more shelves, or yeah, bookshelves. There we go. It seems like I can make 2 more bookshelves. And please mind that, guys. Librarian. There we go. So, yeah, guys, please mind the background noise. Oh, wait. I only had 2 bookshelves. Let's replace that dirt. There we go. I'm fixing up more and more, today. So, that's good. I was hoping to not do that off camera, just so I could say, hey, look, that's why I haven't, or I've just been preparing for this episode or something. So let's actually put this message book written by me in here. Now I'm gonna need. Do I have cobble? Yeah, I do. So let's make a little lever real quick. I needed a lever because I want to I want to bring Mr. Trolls back to life. I named him Mr. Trolls. Literally, once he spawns, his name will be Mr. Trolls. So, let's break that and break that. Let's hope that there's... Yeah, the crafting table is still here. I'm just gonna make a stone pickaxe, because I don't want to ruin that diamond one, or this diamond one that I just made. And there it is. So, let's... There we go, and bam! Look at that, Mr. Trolls. So, here's the new thing. It's just a regular golden apple and a potion of regeneration. And then you need 2 stacks of obsidian to get a stack of bedrock. Whew, this is gonna be fun. So, yeah, guys, let's troll Ninja pretty good. If you guys have any ideas, let me know. And there's a skeleton. And die! Oh, okay. So let me go around looking for a dog and wish me luck. Hopefully I can get him within 3 bones. Actually, I'm gonna go back again. I'm gonna go back again for more bones. So at least I know that if I do find a dog, I will have a better chance of getting him. Just give me 1 second, guys. I'm sorry. 35 bones. 35 bones. That'll do. That will do. So, again, if I die out there, I will have to get rid of an item. I don't know what, though. I don't know what yet. But I'll get rid of an item. And I just remembered, I was gonna enchant this bow. And I never did. Great job, Stewie. Great job. So let's just go down this way. I've never been down this way. Maybe there's a dog. I have no idea. Let's hope that let's hope. Please hope that we have a dog. Oh, no. Dark Oak. Crap. I'm coming for you, Dark Oak, and I'm gonna burn you. literally burn you. So, oh no, there's birch too. Crap! I'm gonna have to save that birch before I burn the dark oak. So, ooh, this is nice. Tons of birch! Tons of birch! Okay, I'm happy now. Ooh, there's sand. I can grab that. Lots of sand. Come on, doggy. Do you want bones? I've got bones and I can give you a good home. Come on, dog. Doggy. What's down this way? Nothing. I'm not going mining today. I'm gonna look for a dog. And then I'm going to try and fix up my freaking, brewing station. Let's just hope that I find a dog within a good amount of time, so I can go and work on that more. Ooh, there's lava. Okay. I've got to be careful about that. What's that? Whoa, why do I hear monsters? You guys might not be able to hear it, but that's because my freaking microphone sucks. Is there another dungeon here? Please tell me there's a dungeon. Actually, I might have been here already. Holy crap. Okay, I'm out of here. I'm not gonna fight any more creepers today. Off camera, I fought so many creepers from blowing up my house, it was ridiculous. Anyway, I'm gonna need to try and find another place for that. So I can try and, just, you know, play my game and slouch all I want and all that, because after a long day, I want to slouch. So, anyway, freaking hate the dark oak. But if there's a dog in there, I will save it and name it Birch. I'm sort of kidding about the name, but yet that doesn't sound too bad. You know what? I might just let you guys name him if I find a dog today. Still nobody's on, so Ninja might get on today. I don't know. But it's possible that he'll get on today if he sees the server up. Give me a second, or give me a little bit of time. If I find a dog, I will let you guys know. Wait, what's that? Wait. Is that my house? Did I just go in a big circle? That's my house. Wow. I went in a big circle. That's just great to know. Okay, fine. Let's, ooh, there's more bones. Let's go down this way. I have plenty of pumpkin pie. And I don't need to... Ooh, there's more lava. There is more lava. Yes. Do I have a bucket? Yes, I do! I actually have a bucket on me today. That is good. Okay. Let's grab this lava, guys. Let's grab this lava. Bam. And there we go. I have lava. Woo! That was kind of dumb of me. And that woo was more of a let's nearly kill myself. And it was just cringe. Anyway, let's keep going. Oh crap. What's down there? Is that another lava pool? It's another lava pool, guys. Heck yes! Let's grab more lava. Yes, I have so much lava. Now, if you guys don't know why I care so much about lava right now, is because lava burns pretty much for, like, 10 minutes in a freaking furnace. It can smelt a whole stack, and then some. I think you can smelt up to, like, 100 blocks with that, which is just a lot. It's really cool. Which is why I really, really, really want a lava bucket, or so many lava buckets. So that's good, but seems like I am out in the open, and I have no dog with me. It really sucks. I cannot find a dog. I'm gonna last a little bit longer, pretty much the rest of this night. And if I don't find a dog just yet, then I'm going to go back to the house and call it a fail attempt. This place looks familiar. I think I'm heading home, guys. I think it's a failed run. I really wanted a dog. I really wanted a dog. Which way do I go? Maybe I can find one while looking up at the treetops? I don't know, it's just hard to believe that there's no dogs to be found anywhere. What the heck? Oh, jeez. Yeah, let's just get out of here. Dang it. That really sucks. Nothing. Like, really, I wasted my whole time. Okay, there it is. There's my house. Dang it! That really sucks. That really, really sucks. Knowing that I didn't find a dog. That really sucks. Like, man. Alright. Seems like I'm on to, now plan B. Just start building my brewing station. Finding a dog was not a good run. But you know what? Whatever. So, let's go down and let's grab some more potions. Or no, not potions. What? Potions. Make some potions in our new potion room. So, let's see. How big is this room? It's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Or no, wait. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I'm pretty sure it's the same on this side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yep. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there we go. We've got that plus all 3 of my lava buckets. I have plenty of iron. Let's just make a little bit more armor. So then I want to give this some sort of a cool shape or something. Because everything has to have some sort of a shape. So this might be a little bit overkill, but I'm going to try and get some nether wart too. And probably like go on each side, maybe 3 or 4 blocks out. 4 by 4 on each end, maybe. So like 4 by 4, and then 4 by 4 on that end. And then so 1, 2, and then 3, and then 4. This is not official. I'm just wanting to see what it would look like. And it could be real nice. Could be really cool. A really cool look, at least. Heck, I might not even use the lava buckets as, like, you know, as fuel. I could use lava buckets for, like, directions. I could use lava buckets for direct. Why do I keep saying directions? Directions? No, that's. You guys know what I mean. You guys know what I'm meaning. I seem to not be able to get my words out today. And now I can't even think of what the freaking word is that I was saying. You guys know what I mean. If I don't get it by the end of this episode, please tell me in the comments. It's gonna drive me nuts. Decorations! There it is. I knew it started with a D. Decorations. Why did I not think of that? Long, long day, like I said. Put that in there. Eggs may not be considered as food in Minecraft, but it helps me get food, so I'll count it. So then I can do 1, 2, 3, 4 by 1, 2, 3, 4. Jeez, that mine's fast. Heck, yes. So then, you know what? Let's just keep using this. If anything, I'll go mining for diamonds off camera or even on camera and repair it. So that's 4x4, and then I can do 1, 2, 3, 4 by 1, 2, 3, 4. I have some sort of an idea. It's gonna require redstone, so I'll do it off camera. But I think it would be pretty freaking cool. Pretty much what I'm thinking is, you know, extending this just a little bit more. Putting hoppers down to catch the nether wart. And then put, like, a regular chest there and a redstone chest there so they can be stacked next to each other. And then put water, make some redstone stuff happen, make the water fall, and harvest it automatically. I don't know if it would destroy it or help it, I don't know. But I will try and do that off camera because it'll just hurt your guys' brain and it'll hurt my brain way too much if I were to do it all in one video. So yeah, let me grab a few things so I can make some torches, and then I'll light this place up, see what I think of it, and hopefully we can have a pretty nice looking thing, a pretty nice looking, what's it called? Brewing station, brewing area. So let's grab 3 coal, and then let's just make that coal into torches. 12 torches, that seems fair enough. Now guys, I'm also going to do the troll for Ninja off camera too, because I want to get work done, but I also don't want Ninja to know what I'm gonna do. I got that stuff. I've gotten these command blocks for a reason. And I tend to use it to my advantage, but not, you know, overuse it like the rules say. So let's hope Ninja doesn't have any ideas like mine, but I feel like I'm gonna get him pretty good. Let's go to the nether just for a little bit and grab a little bit of soul sand and nether wart. And then I feel like once I come back from there, I can No, wait, I'm supposed to go into the nether. So let's go into the nether. Hopefully pigmen don't kill me, because I kind of killed some of the... Ooh, I thought I was going to die there. The pigmen and I are not in good speaking terms. I've killed plenty of them to get all that gold. Let's see. We cool, pigmen? Yeah, we cool. Okay, so, jeez, okay, I'm here for soul sand. Where is soul sand? Gotta look for soul sand. Right, I'm back. Now I just need to find nether wart. That shouldn't be too hard, right? Please tell me it won't be too hard, and let's Let's do that. Oh, jeez. Not this guy right now. Or actually... Yeah, you know what? Give me this guy. I want to kill him so I can get that, ooh. Okay. Okay, I'll take that. Wait. That's just a death sentence right there. Because if I were to do that... and then break that... Okay. Okay, maybe not. But let's... Dang it, that was my last arrow. Alright, let's keep building. Keep on building. Keep on building. Luckily, I know the trick that, you know, ghasts can't break cobblestone. Or obsidian. So that's good to know. Whoops. Luckily, I have this. More and more stacks of cobble. So let's... Ah! Why'd I do that again? You know what? Let's, okay, and then go like that. Why'd I do that? Okay, then I can just do this. Okay, there we go. Now I have a small little staircase of cobblestone that can't ever break in the nether. Go down here. Let's place a torch down just to lead the way. And now let's break this. Grab some more of this for our brewing center, because this is going to be nice to have. Okay, there we go. Now, let's try and see if we can find either A, nether wart, or B, one of those things right there. Some wither skeleton skulls. Dang it, just coal. Alright, keep on going for the search. Oh, shoot, okay. I keep getting scared every time I see those things. Because we are not good. Like, I killed so many of those things. Just keep on grabbing the glowstone, and hopefully we will have a decent amount. And by decent, I mean decent. Like, geez. 28 things of glowstone? Heck, I can make a freaking, you know, sun out of that. A nice artificial sun. No! I'm dead. Well, I'm dead. Because of a stupid glitch. What can aid me in the challenge? These blaze rods can help me, because I can get in to the, I can get more things. I can get more... I'm just gonna throw out these 3 blaze rods, guys. Alright, I'll look more off camera. Seems like today was a failed day for everything. But we'll get it again. Later, like, I'll show you guys everything that I've done so far, like, once I'm done with off-camera work. But that's going to be the end of this episode, guys. I hope you guys liked it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to vote for what you guys want me to do for 700 subscribers. Go to my 700 subscriber annotation right there. And don't forget to click the I and just vote. Vote for what you guys want. And by the end of this week, we'll have a winner. So, let's say Saturday. Saturday, I will get all the votes. It does not matter what happens in the comments, guys. It's what matters with the poll. I'm sorry to say that, but it has to happen with the poll. So, if you guys want your votes to be counted, you need to vote with the poll. So, thank you for watching. Don't forget to do that. Subscribe, become a little stewie today, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Stay friendly, everyone.